Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Set the glasses on a soft towel and point a hair dryer briefly at the stuck area for 10-15 seconds to loosen old adhesive and grime. Use 90% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Do not soak lenses. Once warmed, pry gently with a toothpick at the seam where plastic meets metal. Work slowly to find a gap. You want the adhesive softened, not melted. Make sure to keep heat moving so frames don't warp. Once the gap appears, put a single drop of isopropyl into it and wait 30 to 45 seconds so the solvent penetrates adhesive. Then, with a tiny screwdriver or plastic spudger, rock the hinge back and forth, short, deliberate motions, until it yields. As pieces separate, scrape away softened glue with the toothpick and wipe, frequently with the microfiber to keep visibility. Make sure to keep pressure perpendicular to the seam to finish by cleaning mating surfaces thoroughly, then reassemble. Replace the screw and tighten until secure but not over-tightened. Finger tight plus a small quarter turn is usually enough. If metal contacts metal, a tiny smear of silicone grease prevents resticking. For nose pads, use a cloth only. Test the temples through 10 to 20 opening cycles to seat parts. If you still feel catching, reapply solvent and repeat cleaning. If parts deform or crack, stop and consult a professional to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.